Welcome to Land Between the Lakes in Golden Pond, Kentucky. One of the things that we're going to eventually check out here at Land Between the Lakes is the cabins. And as you see, they're pretty nice. I'll throw some pictures in too. They're actually really nice. Basically, they'll sleep 6 to 8 people. So you have 3 full-size beds and 2 twin-size beds. And the nice thing about that is that they do have air conditioning and power, but you don't end up having any like amenities. So if you actually wanted to eat something, you basically would cook on the outside grill. And so if you take a look right behind me, you get your little table and you get your grill. So $75 a night, and it's 6 to 8 people. So that's cheaper than a hotel. So if you're looking to get outdoors, you want to do some camping, have the ability to have some friends over, live with a nice, comfortable, cozy, rustic-looking cabin, this might be the place for you to check out.